Hi guys, this is one question which have been asked to me by almost every student. Can I trust the average salary given by the colleges? For example, IIM Ahmedabad claims 26 lakh average package, Dalmia says 8 lakhs average package, XYZ college, every college is claiming some X number. Can I trust those numbers? First of all, these numbers is CTC, this is not in-hand salary. Please remember that this is cost to company. That includes your training cost, that includes your joining bonus, that includes everything. But wait, before you say fake hai, MBA is fake, this and that, what everybody is doing that. Even government companies have started doing that. My dad, when he was working, now he's retired, they were giving him two salaries. One is as per your norms and one CTC. So that they also feel like, nahi, hacha, hamara CTC zyada, in hand kam hai. So everybody does that. IT engineering colleges, same thing, IT companies offering 8.9 lakh a package. See, the way we want the highest package, yeah, same way what companies are doing, they are saying that they want to offer the higher package so that maximum of the good talent apply to them. If I say my salary is 6 and suddenly some IT company, if I'm an IT company, I say my salary average is 6, I'm offering 6 lakh a package and other IT companies say 9, you'll obviously incline towards 9 lakh. Jabki wo same hi hai, in-hand salary is almost going to be same only. There are a lot of companies doing that. You know, any company at graduation level doing this thing. Byju's, I've heard they're doing this thing. A lot of companies are doing this thing. Their CTC and in-hand is a huge difference, almost half. Fine, so MBA mein aisa hota hai. Okay, now how to say what to be done? Now, I thought about this. So I'm giving you 3 random numbers. If the college claim average salary is more than 20 lakhs, if a college says the average salary is more than 20 lakhs, then their actual in-hand salary or the decent enough salary average should be 25% less. Okay, 25% less थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Will be 3 lakh less, 2 से 3 lakh less, 3 lakhs less. If IIM Ahmedabad says average is 25, let's not name a college. Let's say a particular college says average is 25, then their actual average will be around 22. 3 lakh कम. 25% ज़्यादा कम हो जाएगा, 25 नहीं, 3 लाख कम. If a college say average is 18, this means the average salary is going around is 15. That's why the term median salary is coming in. Median means the maximum student of this college have got around 18 lakh a package. Fine. So median salary, if you look at, is always 1 to 2 lakh rupees less than the average salary. But that again is a CTC term, so it's better to cut down 3 lakh rupees. What if, sir, मेरे तो college तो average ही 3 लाख है. There are colleges, a lot of colleges in Pune, Bangalore, which have an average salary of 3.5 to 4 lakh. Then in that case, 1 lakh. गरीबों का हम कम काटेंगे, ठीक है, 1 लाख काटेंगे. So any college which have an average salary of less than 5 to 6 lakhs minus 1 lakh is going to be your salary, average. You do well, you can get a top salary. You do worse, you can get an even lower salary, maybe no job, but average. We look at the average salary. If a college claim average is 8, 9, 10, then minus 2 lakhs. If the college is less than 6 lakhs, minus 1 lakh. If the college is less than 10, 12 lakh average package, 8, 9, 10, 12, minus 2 lakh is their average. And if the college is more than 20 lakhs, to minus 3 lakh a package. This is a mota thumb rule, G strategy, which I call, to understand what is the average package. Why I am giving you this number? Because a lot of students asking me whether I should join this college or not. My answer is very simple. Should I trust their placement report? First of all, how can we know whether the placement report is good or wrong? Sir, I'll talk to the student. Okay, if you call the student the college, if that guy have got the good job, he will say college is very good, college is best. And if that guy could not get a good job, then he will say college is bad. Simple. CAT, for example. If you talk to a guy who has given the CAT exam last year, if you have got good marks, he will say CAT is good. If you have got bad marks, he will say CAT is bad. Simple logic. So again, we can't trust the students also. So simple. Minus 1 lakh, minus 2 lakh, minus 3 lakh is a number. If you like that number, stick to the college. If you don't like that number, look at other options. Simple answer. So, can I trust this number? We have no other option but to trust the average package. यहाँ तो तुम इंक्वायरी कमेटी बिठाओ, CID को कॉल करो, नहीं तो सिंपल 100 पे कॉल करो. व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ XYZ कॉलेज? बोलेगा बेटा आजा हमारे ऑफिस में आजा, आई टेल द एवरेज सैलरी. आते तेरा तेल लेके आना, तेल. Okay, so there is no way to trust. There is no way to, you can't trust anybody, you can trust. So I personally believe whatever number they are saying, plus minus 2 lakh is going to be the actual number. And that's something which is more believable. more trustable. All right, all the best.